In today's episode I'm going to explore a wonderful little machine called Ether by Soma Laboratory. With this machine, I can capture electromagnetic field interferences into sound waves. I will try to go around the city capturing the most interesting sounds, for then coming back home, loading them into Ableton and trying to make some music with those sounds to see what I can come up with. Ether, it's like an anti-radio. Instead of picking a specific station, it captures all the interference and radiation that regular radio filter out. It can pick up radio waves from low to high frequency. It has two antenna pins that you can touch to conductive object or surface. Has two wheels for sound control and a power switch. The upper wheel adjusts the high frequency amplification and regeneration, while the lower wheel controls the volume. Ether has a regular 3.5mm headphone jack for output, and it can be recorded by connecting it to a device like a Zoom recorder, in my case I have a Tascam, with an audio cable for at least 1 meter or 3 feet. My take on making music with Ether. I could definitely do more, but for the sake of the tutorial, I wanted to keep it short. I will upload on my Patreon this Ableton project, and included there will be an extra session with all the sounds recorded from Ether in the streets of my city, ready for use for manipulating. The only sound that is not part of Ether is the kick drum. I spent a few days roaming the streets, trying to capture interesting sound. It was a unique experience listening to those brain massage frequencies. I truly enter into the hidden world of electromagnetic fields. In my experience, it works best in places with a high concentration of electrical energy. For example, when going to the metro, shopping center, public transport, or any location with a high concentration of electric devices. Ether truly reveals its power. It's a tool that forces you to explore the city and connect with the unseen, as well as walking a lot. You can silently find interesting rhythmic patterns or finding haunting scary sounds depending on your location. It's like following a map of the treasure, where you have to walk to a specific route to find the gold. Overall, this device is perfect for sound design, allowing you to create otherworldly scenarios. It's also ideal for electronic music producers who want to explore specific sound, for producers of techno, electro, or experimental soundscape, and very appealing to noise musicians. Overall, it's a wonderful little machine that reveals a new world that we don't know yet.